352 days. Yes, 352 days ago another war started. Not in Ukraine but in SOL. Yes, almost a year and it's still going on. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle, in today's newspaper on Monday, September the 23rd, 2024, and I've already solved 2 puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. So 1 puzzle is left, the binary. And the binary, yes, it's binary time, boys and girls, and this one will be number 9318. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Now the double O's, again, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. And we have here 4 ones. If we place number 5 here, then we have 4 O's in a row in the second column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Now we have 5 1s in the second column, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Double ones, here no, there no. Come on, come on, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Come on, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, come on, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. I think we need to compare the 3. Yeah. Well. The question is the columns or the rows? We have 2, 3 completed columns. And the double ones. We have the double ones here. This is different. Come on. 101. Do we have 101 here? Oh, no, this is not the same. Well, this row and that row. Let me compare. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0 empty box 1 1 0 0. All right, so we need to switch these two digits. We have 1 here, this should be an 0. We have 0 here, this should be a 1. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 1. So the rest are O's, double O's. Here 1, there 1, double 1's here, no, there no. 1 2 3 4 5 O's. So the rest are 1's. 1 2 3 4 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 5 O's. So the rest are 1's. 1 2 3 4 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1, between two 1's comes an O, and 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 3 4, okay, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Need to compare again. How about 1 0 0 1 here, 10, 10, this one, and the last column. Alright, 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 5 1. So the rest are O's, double O, here 1, there 1. Finished in 6 minutes. Well, we solved again. We need to compare twice what we solved again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and yeah, we'll meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.